So now that we have understood how to filter out certain countries from feature dataset, now let's add some more data manipulations and utilize multiple feature layers in order to obtain the desired results. So for this example, I am going to use protected this world database on protected areas, which included in point layers. So first of all, we have to get this image into our code editor. For that, we can use this EE feature collection snippet. So likewise, we can add and create a variable from that. So once you've done that, we can write delta filtering. So first of all, in this case, the entire database of the world is available, especially reference to protected areas. However, we are only interested in a certain countries, which is Colombia. So therefore, we have to select only the points of the world protected areas in Colombia. For that, we have to filter that in geographical locations. For that, we can include dot filter So now we have included to filter the entire database from geopolitical region. So in this case, it will include all the layers that's available in Colombia. So if you are interested in, for an example, the category of that feature data set, we can include another filter. In here we are using NEQ. NEQ is the filter called for the not equal. Right. So we can choose filtering category from the database, and in the table schema we can see different things that we can use to filter out the data. So for an example, we'll see the IUCN category. It has LA, IP, wilderness area, 2, 3, likewise. So we will select IUCN cat and wilderness areas. And also we can give things like numbers, like larger than or less than, like that. So if you are not familiar with a certain function that I am using, you can just search it on the scripts list, the docs. So in here you can see the filter to metadata not equal to a given value. So in this case the protected places are filter out the features that are not equal to IB category, and we can use another one. We can give a status here. Let's run the program and check. So the problem was that I have used this row in lowercase. We have to edit into uppercase. And we'll run it again. So we can't see actually very clearly because both the country region and the area, the protected point layer is also in same color. We'll change the color. And run it again. So now you can see the interested areas are clearly visible in here. So likewise we can use multiple data layers and combine both layers and manipulate in order to get the required result. So we can do the same by changing the country here and check whether different countries protected areas. For this example, let's see Canada and run again. So even though it shows the country and zoom into our relevant area, we can't see any points relevant area. We can't see any points related to the Canada protected areas that satisfy these criteria in Canada. So now let's change the country and check whether conduct the same analysis with another country. So likewise you can see the different data sets available, and in here you can see in Sri Lanka there are around 5